Hey guys, welcome back to MHD Tech. I'm your host, Nick, and today we're going to be reviewing and unboxing something revolutionary. We have the Redtiger F17 Elite. And I'm not exaggerating when I say this is a real game changer in the dash cam community.
Hey guys, this is MHD Tech, and before starting the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews and unboxings.
This is the world's first full night color dash cam with in-cabin view. Yes, you heard that right. Full color night vision, but not just for the road, but inside your car too. We're talking 4K front camera, 2.5K rear camera, all through the Sony service. And wait till you see the night features. It's called the Night Guard. It's absolutely insane. So if you're in the market for the ultimate dash cam, stick around because we're gonna unbox this, get into it, and show you the real world capabilities. All right, let's see what Redtiger has in the box. Get this opened up. All right, first thing I see right here is going to be the camera itself. And on the back, it has a fairly large touch screen, so you guys can make sure you see everything. Right here, this is gonna be the 360 camera that sits in the back window. Full swivel capabilities. Pretty sick, honestly. We got the comprehensive owner's manual, so you know how to install everything and how to use it perfectly. All right, and this looks like it's going to be your hardware. So right here, it looks like we're going to have your power supply cable right here, your install tool, and then this is going to be for the rear camera right here, so you guys can make sure it connects perfectly. We have some adhesive strips, so everything is nice and clean and seamless in your vehicle. And this is just some extra installing equipment right here for you guys to make sure it fits in your car perfectly. Another install tool. So right here, if you guys want to hardwire your camera into your vehicle, this is what you're gonna need. But we're gonna get into the install process. I don't wanna bore you guys with 10 minutes of that, so we'll fast forward through it, and I'll see you guys after it's done. Installation is straightforward. Clean your windshield really well. Mount the unit behind your rear view mirror, route the cables neatly, and you're good to go. The hardwire kit installation for the Night Guard parking mode takes a bit more work, but we'll show you that feature in action later. For now, let's talk about what makes this dash cam absolutely unique. Okay, here's the headline feature. And I want you to pay close attention to this because it's genuinely impressive. The Redtiger, the F17 Elite, is the world's first full night color dash cam with in-cabin view. Let me explain what that actually means. Most dash cams with cabin cameras either record in black and white at night, or they use infrared, which gives you that weird green night vision look. This right here records in full color at night. Real colors. I mean, look at my shirt. You can see every color clearly, even though I'm driving at night. That's the magic. This is perfect for rideshare drivers, Uber, Lyft, delivery drivers, anyone who needs crystal clear cabin footage at night. If there's an incident, you have full color evidence of what happened inside your vehicle. You can see clothing color, you can see details, you can identify people clearly. The cabin camera also rotates 360 degrees, so you can point it towards the back seat or the front. It's totally flexible. Now here's the technical bit. This works best under street light conditions, which Redtiger specifies as a 0.11 lux. But honestly, most suburban streets have plenty of lighting. So this is gonna work in most of the night driving situations. Let's talk specs, because this is where the F17 Elite really flexes. You're getting a true 3-channel setup. The front camera records in 4K ultra high definition. That's 380 by 260 resolution using a Sony Starvis 2 sensor. The real camera is 2.5K QHD, also with a Sony Starvis 2, and the cabin camera is 1080p full high definition with that full night color capability we just showed you. All three cameras are recording simultaneously all the time. Front and rear both feature dual channel HDR, which means the camera can handle extreme lighting conditions, bright sun, dark shadows at the same exact time, without overexposing or underexposing. Look at this daytime footage. The 4K front camera is incredibly sharp. Watch as I zoom in on the license plate. We're about 4 to even 5 meters away, and you can read every character perfect. This is crucial for insurance claims or if you need to report a hit and run. The rear camera in 2.5K is equally impressive. Great clarity for vehicles behind you, and the cabin camera is even better. It gives you a perfect view of the interior during the day, but an even better view during the night. The dual channel HDR is really doing work here. And notice how even when we drive from shadow into bright sunlight, the overexposure adjusts smoothly without those harsh transitions you get on cheaper dash cams. Now, here's the night performance. And this is where the Sony Starvis 2 sensors earn their keep. The front and rear cameras maintain excellent visibility and quality at any condition during the day or the night. Street signs are clear, lane markings are visible, and critically, oncoming headlights don't blow out the image thanks to the HDR processing. This is professionally grade night recording quality. Combined with the full color cabin camera, you have complete 360-degree coverage day and night. All right, guys, now we're getting to one of my favorite features, Night Guard parking mode. This is front camera only, and it requires the hardwired kit, which is that 2.5 ACC step-down cable that connects to your fuse box directly. But here's what makes Night Guard special. It uses intelligent image algorithms to achieve true color reproduction, even in extremely low light, when your car parked in the darkest of places. Now, most parking modes either drain your battery fast or give you low quality black and white footage. Night Guard gives you daytime light quality footage while you're parked at night, and it does it efficiently. Setup is honestly pretty straightforward. Install the hardwired kit, go into settings, select parking mode, choose 24-hour time-lapse recording. Go and park your car in a dark environment, turn off the engine, and the blue light starts flashing to show time-lapse is active. The key though is selecting time-lapse mode. That's when you get the daytime quality footage even at night. Your recordings are saved in the urgent or locked folder under playback, so they're protected. They won't get overwritten or ever lost. So we're gonna go ahead and look at this Night Guard footage. This was recorded while the car was parked in a dark garage overnight. The image quality is remarkably clear, colors are accurate, and you can see every single detail you'd normally miss with standard parking modes. If someone approaches your vehicle, you'll have clear footage of them. This is the kind of parking protection that gives you real peace of mind. And because it's time-lapse, it's not draining your battery as fast as continuous recording would. All right, guys, now for the touchscreen interface. It's genuinely smooth. This is not one of those laggy, frustrating dashcam screens. Watch how quickly it honestly responds. Swipe from front camera to cabin camera to rear camera with instant transitions. You can review footage right here on the device. No need to pull the SD card or connect to an app if you just want to quickly check something out. The screen size is honestly perfect. Large enough to see details clearly, but not so big that it obstructs your view while driving. Let me show you the settings. There's a lot you can customize here. You can adjust recording resolution for each camera independently if you want to save storage space. There's voice control, mirror flip for the rear camera, GPS settings, date and time stamps You can really dial this into your personal preferences. The menu, it's intuitive. Everything is clearly labeled. Even if you're not tech savvy, you'll have no problems navigating this system. All right, guys, one of the most frustrating things about dash cams is getting footage off of the device. Pulling that SD card, using that slow Wi-Fi transfer that takes forever. It's a pain. Redtiger though, Redtiger solved this with 5.8 gigahertz Wi-Fi 6 connectivity. In lab conditions, they're seeing transfer speeds up to 30 megabytes per second. Guys, that's over 10 times faster than traditional 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. Let me show you what this looks like in real world use. So here's the Redtiger app. Nice clean interface. I'm connecting to the dashcam Wi-Fi, and just like that, we're connected. Now I can browse all my recordings, front camera, cabin, rear. Everything is here, organized by date and time. So let's download this clip from earlier. Watch the download speed. We're seeing 25 megabytes per second right now. This is a 4K file, and it's downloading in seconds, not minutes. This is the difference Wi-Fi 6 makes. Now, if you need to quickly grab footage after an incident, or you just want to share a cool clip you captured, this speed is game changing. No more waiting around, guys. All right, guys, so after spending time with the Redtiger F17 Elite, here are my thoughts. This right here, this is hands down one of the most feature-packed dash cams I've ever tested. The world's first full night color cabin camera is not just a marketing gimmick. It genuinely works and it's genuinely useful, especially if you do any rideshare driving or just want maximum security. The 3-channel setup with 4K front, 2.5K rear, and 1080p cabin gives you complete coverage. And those Sony Starvis 2 sensors deliver excellent day and night performance. The night guard parking mode with daytime light quality is honestly pretty impressive. The touchscreen is responsive. The interface is intuitive. And that Wi-Fi 6 transfer speed makes getting footage off the camera actually convenient instead of a chore. So, who is this for? If you want a premium 3-channel dash cam with cutting-edge features, this right here is absolutely worth considering. Rideshare drivers, this is basically made for you. That night color cabin camera alone is worth the investment. Regular drivers who want the best possible evidence in case of an incident, you're covered, front, rear, and inside. The price is competitive for what you're getting. It's genuine. Sony sensors, Wi-Fi 6, advanced parking mode, and that unique night color technology. This is not a budget dash cam, but it's priced fairly for the features you set. All right, guys, if you want to grab the Redtiger F17 Elite, I'll have a link in the description below with a special discount code just for you. That'll save you some money on your purchase, and Redtiger will provide the exact code and offer after this video is approved. But trust me, guys, you'll want to check this out and that link. If this review was helpful, smash that like button. It really helps this channel, guys, and I really appreciate it. And if you want more in-depth tech reviews like this, subscribe to MHD Tech and hit the bell so you don't miss on future videos. Drop a comment below and let me know, do you guys use a dash cam? Would the full night color cabin camera be useful for you? I read every single comment, guys. Thank you so much for watching. This has been the Redtiger F17 Elite review. Drive safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.